Lane departure.
With me here today is we're introducing a new product, which is a new dashcam camera, which has inbuilt AI features which enable you get real-time alerts in the event of driver behavior, and also driver assistance management solution. So for the back camera, this has the driver management system, meaning it can be able to detect a couple of things, such as when the driver is tired.
Please stay alert. Lane departure.
In the event of yawning, it detects that and sends an alert. If the driver is, let's say, smoking or drinking, can be able to send such alerts. Even in the event that the vehicle driver is not facing forward while driving the vehicle, you can get such alerts.
Maintain a safe following distance.
And be able to notify your drivers to take corrective measures before an accident occurs. This particular solution comes with additional inbuilt AI features which assist with driver management and also driver assistance in the event of driving. Both you as the vehicle owner can be notified and the driver can be notified, enabling you avoid accidents on the road. Meaning, over and above having the notification, you can have the video evidence of each event. So this can assist you in either reconciling your operations or assist during investigations. In the event of an insurance claim or an accident, it offers an additional layer of information which is ideal for you making an informed decision even when you weren't in the vehicle at that particular time. For the installation price, currently we're offering this at an installation fee of 35,000 Kenya shillings and an annual maintenance fee of 10,000 Kenya shillings. If you're interested in this particular solution, feel free to contact us today through our telephone number 0723 645 810 or visit our office located at Vision Plaza, first floor, number 2 along Mombasa Road in Nairobi.